Eating mindfully for weight loss, 3 techniques that work. Welcome to our video on eating mindfully for weight loss, 3 techniques that work. Today, we'll explore how mindful eating can help you manage your weight effectively. Mindful eating focuses on being fully aware of your eating experience. It involves paying attention to the flavors, textures, and sensations of your food. The first technique is using smaller plates for your meals. This can help trick your brain into feeling satisfied with less food, promoting portion control. Secondly, chew your food slowly. This aids in digestion and allows you to recognize when you're full, preventing overeating. The third technique is to eliminate distractions while eating. Turn off the TV and put away your phone to fully focus on your meal. Practicing these techniques can lead to a healthier relationship with food. You'll likely find yourself eating less and enjoying your meals more. Mindful eating isn't just about weight loss. It's about developing a deeper understanding and appreciation for the food you consume. Integrating mindful eating into your daily routine can take time and patience. Start small by implementing one technique at a time. Remember, the goal is to make lasting changes. Consistency is key when adopting any new eating habit. For more tips and insights on effective weight management strategies, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We hope this video inspires you to try mindful eating as a way to achieve your weight loss goals. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this video if you found it helpful.